Lokhu kwenzeke ngaphambi kwalomcimbi ozobanjelwa eholweni Sarah Baartman enyuvesi yaseKapa. Usolwazi uLumumba uke wayivumela ngokwakhe ukungabanambithisisi kahle abomphakathi we-LGBTQI. Manje uzokwethula isifundo ngeqembu EFF nokungeminye yemicimbi eyandulela omkhulukazi wangempela sonto wokuhlanganisa iminyaka elishumi iqembu lasungulwa.
We saw an organization that is organizing to invite a homophobe, a person who refused to recognize people that recognize themselves as a particular identity, the LGBTQ community, as people who uphold human rights, not only our constitutions, but basic rights of human beings. We thought it's only fair that you do come inside and be on the right side of history instead of being on the other side of hypocrisy.
Iqembu EFF lithi aliqala ukumema uSolwazi uLumumba emcimbini yalo.
We are not responsible for what Professor does in his personal capacity as an organization. We don't have any controversy as an organization. We are continuing with our 10th anniversary built-up programs.
Enyangeni edlule umholi we-EFF wahola imashi abeyibheke endlini zenxusa lase-Uganda ePitoli yokuyophikisana nomthetho ophikisana nabomphakathi we-LGBTQI khona le e-Uganda.
During COVID, we have a book club where we were dealing with different subjects, and those subjects, one of them was dealt with by Professor Lumumba. So it's not the first time he is dealing with the issues, and on behalf of the EFF, as a Pan-Africanist and the advocate for one Africa and one voice.
Umcimbi omkhulukazi we-EFF okuhlanganisa iminyaka elishumi yasungulwa uzobanjelwa enkundleni FNB eSoweto ngoMgqibelo.